The bar chart shows the frequency distribution of marks scored by students in a class test. Use the bar chart to answer questions 29 to 31. Now question 29. How many students are in this class? Clearly from this chart, we are able to see that the height of each of the bars is the number of students that scored each of the given marks 1, 2, 3, and 4. This tells us that the sum of the heights of all these bars shall be the total number of students in the class. And this is 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5, which is equal to 25. And that is the answer to the question. Question 30. Calculate the mean of the distribution. The mean of this type of distribution is obtained by dividing the sum of all the areas of these bars by the total of all the heights of the bars. Since each of the bars is a rectangle, therefore its area shall be the length times the breadth. The length of each bar here is the height of the bar, and the breadth of each of the bars is not going to be the apparently equal horizontal width as shown in the diagram, but the marks written under each of the bars respectively, that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the area is this height times the width, and this shall be 6 times 1 plus 8 times 2 plus 6 times 3 plus 5 times 4. And of course, the height of these bars are 6, 8, 6, and 5. And we have this giving us 6 times 1, 6, 8 times 2, 16, 6 times 3, 18, and 5 times 4, 20, divided by the sum of the denominator, which is 25. So we have 60 over 25, which gives us 2.4. And that is the mean of the distribution as required. Question 31. What is the median of the distribution? Since the number of students in the said class is 25, that is by adding the heights of all the bars together, then it means if they are arranged according to the marks that they obtained, the 13th student shall be the one in the middle, that is the median mark. Remember that the median of any distribution is the input or the data that is in the middle after all of them have been arranged in order of their sizes, that is in ascending or descending order of their sizes. In this setup, we can illustrate it like this. Now if there are 25 people, then that is an odd number, and that means 12 on each side, and the middle one will be the 13th element, because when you have 25 people, the first 12 and the last 12, that makes 24 of them, and the remaining one shall be the mark that is in the middle, and that shall be the 13th person. So the 13th mark now therefore will be our median. And if these marks are arranged in order of their sizes, now you have the first 12 being shown here as the first 6 that are ones, then the next 6 that are twos, then the 13th one, of course, there will be the median, and that is also a 2. So the median mark is 2.